2023 सावन गावांनी मोठमोठे मेगा प्रकल्प तसेच व्यावसायिक प्रकल्प आयल्यात। हे प्रकल्प येवच्या पयलीं सरकारान गावांच्या क्षमतेचो अभ्यास केला काय ना म्हूण आमदार कार्लोस फेरेरान विधानसभेत प्रश्न केल्लो। ह्या विशयाचेर आमदार विजय सरदेसाय, विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी युरी आलेमाव, वेंझी घश, निलेश काब्राल हांच्यांनी उलोवप केले। गावांच्या क्षमतेचो अभ्यास बेगीनूच करतले म्हूण मंत्री माविनान जाप दिली। तशेंच संबंधित विभागाची बसका घेवन ही प्रक्रिया पुराय करतली अशी माहिती मंत्री माविनान दिली।
The village panchayats have not carrying out any demographic or the carrying capacity has not been carried out. But at the end of the day, it is by your directions they are bound to carry out the approve them and give them the construction licenses. Now, what can you make amendment in the law so as to make this mandatory, so as to ease the burden of the locals who are residing, so that the carrying capacity can be analyzed, and in the context of the Gram Sabhas, I'm not talking of single units, I'm not talking of a few units, but when it comes to multiple units, large units, what we call mega projects, or these big gated colonies which come, which change the democratic pattern, which are now invading my constituency. Already it is now in other parts of the coastal areas of Bardez and other places in Salsette have already come, especially the coastal belts, where you have huge villas like 90 villas or flats and all which are coming. What kind of an assurance can you give as to do this? My first question.
The projects that are coming up, panchayats do not have the mechanism to judge the carrying capacity of a village. Normally what happens, the normal procedure which you must be knowing, the plans get passed by the town and country planning department and or the PDAs and other agencies, they come for only grant of license to the panchayat. That is our role.
Bureau Report, Gomantak TV.